Danny, need you to head into the village. Danny. Danny, let's find Juan.
What do you want?
You don't belong here. You ready?
I attacked this archipelago with a man named Juan Cortez. He helped me build Libertad from the dirt. Juan's a spy master from the pre-Castillo days. Can build an ice... Get down to that village and bring me Cortez. I hope for your sake he's sober.
How's the earpiece? Can you hear me okay?
Loud and clear. The spy shit works, Clara. I'll give you that.
Bien. Keep your gun holstered if you want to stay out of trouble, especially in areas with a lot of soldados.
See, I got it.
A smart guerrilla picks their battles. Suerte.
We're looking for a man named Juan Cortez.
I don't know the name.
Hi.
Que vola.
Papers.
I don't have them on me, senora.
No papers. That's a serious offense.
Disculpa. I must have left them at home.
I'm going to have to report you.
No, por favor, senora. There must be something I can do.
I am Yala. If I am El Presidente, then you.
Okay. Take it.
Walk away, cabrón. I'm watching you.
Castillo stole the presidency.
Keep walking, come mierda.
I don't understand. What did I do?
That looks like a Juan.
Today we drink in the worst fucking cantina in Yara. Or is it Colombia? Kirat, Chechnya. Leave the bottle. Let's work for you.
De nada.
Guapo, you listen. Rule 16. A guerrillero's revolution never ends. Always another war, another cantina, another ugly bartender.
Juan Cortez?
What do you think gave it away, Guapo?
This isn't a fucking zoo, abuelo.
Clara sent me to find you.
See, I learned long ago never to doubt her. You will too. Hey, I know you.
Don't think so.
Yeah, I know you. It's like I'm looking at a mirror, Guapo.
What are you talking about?
Those eyes, guerrilla. You got a taste. You convince yourself you're a hero, but you wake up a junkie, just like Juan Cortez.
This is a fucking waste of time.
Can you whistle?
What?
Nah, you can't whistle.
Coño! ¡Va la pinga!
You fucking rat.
You were more dead anyway.
What the fuck?
See, Guapo is in love with you, and I ruined the only copy of my book. Bueno, mis socios, vámonos. Once again, we have outstayed our welcome. Put that thing you can do it, please. let's get the hell out of here before the whole fucking army shows
Repinga.
up. I'm drunk, but I'm not that drunk.
Right behind you, old man.
Guapo wants to be your friend. Or maybe he just needs to take a dump.
Only one way to find out. Vamos.
Come on, let's get the fuck out of here. You're more distracted than a coked-up house cat. Vámonos. Get the fuck out of here. I can tell you handled a gun before. What's your name?
Danny.
I
Clara says you're a legend. Ex-gay. GD, ex-CIA.
I got more fucking exes than your porn search history. Some men, they break eggs for breakfast. But Juan Cortez, he breaks fucking countries. Sometimes, hold up. New plan, Danny. Vamos.
The plan is to go back to Clara's camp. Where the hell are we going now?
Danny, over here. Juan Cortez. Let's request your services. See that smoke? That means the watchtower just got a supply drop with some of the rarest materials you'll find in Yara. And you are going to go get it.
Now you want me to steal shit for you?
Gunpowder and Supremo Bomb. The cerveza and chaser of Resolver. I'm gonna teach you to make shit for weapons. Because making shit for weapons is cool. And it's rule number 9. Always use the right tool for the right job.
You coming with me?
Fuck no. You got Guapo. You can tear shit up with him. But if you want to be sneaky, leave him behind. That cutie loves to make a mess.
Weapon or not, military will shoot me on sight here. is more like it.
Guess this could be useful. What the hell are you going to do with this one? More shit for one. Found all your shit, Juan.
Good work, Danny. Now hurry up already. We need to get back to Clara's camp.
That's what I've been saying.
Okay, we got more than enough. Let's get the fuck out of here.
So what's with all this junk? You building something?
Patience, Danny. Rule number 8. A guerrilla knows how to wait. Like a spider or a serial killer. So, how did you get to this godforsaken hellhole?
I was on a refugee ship. We didn't get far.
Yeah. And I came here on a chopper in our baby invasion santuario. Shot straight out of the goddamn sky. No, I mean, what's your story?
Orphanage in Esperanza. Then the military. I'm no guerrilla. Just helping Clara out until she gets me off this island.
Rule 20. Once a guerrilla, always a guerrilla.
Enough with that shit.
Too late. The horse is out of the barn and now the fucking cocaine is all over the kids, Danny. There is no other option.
America is my option.
Of course. And you think Americans want your Yaran blood? The American dream is for Americans, Danny.
You don't quit, do you?
Nope. Guapo hates quitters.
Coño. If you two are so close, why is he following me?
Guapo goes with those who need him most. Like those therapy dogs in your precious America. You can trust Guapo with your life.
Yeah, not sure I'm there yet.
You got that.
You said your chopper was shut down in the invasion. Can you fix it?
So I can fly you to the camp.
No,
It's grounded. Not working. Now it's time for Juan Cortez to show you how to make something out of nothing. Did I ever tell you rule number 9?
You just did.
Always use the right tool for the right job. Words to live by.
Okay.
How many others?
The legend returns.
The legend needs to piss, Jefa.
Who's she? She was a journalist who dared call Anton fascista. Now she's an outcast, a slave for his paradise. And she's not the only one, Danny.
Time you learn about resolver, Danny.
I was 6 when I rigged my first bike with a chainsaw motor. The blockade means I have to resolver every day, Juan.
Nah, that's survival. For a guerrilla, resolver isn't just making do with what you have. It's inflicting chaos with everything you got.
Keep talking.
A guerrilla's best weapon is the workbench. Go ahead, let's take a crack at those weapons. No offense, but your battle rifle is a little basic. Rule number 9. Always Sometimes I lie awake at excellent, Danny. Now you can pop enemy flesh like a ripe watermelon. Okay? Let's look at your other... Let's say your target... These rounds fly straight and... Nice! Now you got your own supply of high-velocity war crimes. Let's look at your attachments. Time to make your very first... This will turn a bang! See how easy that was? Now you can silently headshot your enemies like a real asshole. The workbench is your friend, Danny. A friend with benefits. Danny, get cozy with it.
I don't like their chances out here. I give them
Damn.
another day before they
Making
get
shit
killed
is
by
addictive.
Castillo soldados.
With that workbench,
They've been holding their own
you
so
can
far.
build a new
I think
Yara.
they make it through the...
Hola, guerrilla.
Hi.
Danny, easy as smoking a cigar on Sunday.
That's it. Good girl.
Vamos. Shit, I haven't ridden a horse since basic training. Vamos, vamos. Easy.
Danny, some tyranny 101. Checkpoints lock down the movement of people across Yara and will shred your tires with goddamn road spikes. Well, unless you got a horse.
I've been through enough of them in Esperanza.
Clear the checkpoints, destroy the billboards, then watch Libertad rise from the ashes.
Juan, the checkpoint. It's clear.
Did that feel good? You earned some guerrilla karma today. Keep it up, Danny.
Let's go. That's a good horse.
Whoa now. Go!
Juan, I found the tower.
Don't stop now, Danny. Find the guerrilla path and follow it to my contact.
See, I'm on my way. Go.
Easy now.
Hey, a magic horse. Come on. Be nice, horse.
Easy.
Go.
Easy now. Coño!
Juan described you pretty well. My name is Raisa, and I'm going to be helping you steal shit from Castillo today.
Are you going to tell me what I'm stealing?
Depleted uranium.
Perdón, I thought you just said uranium.
You heard me. Look, all I know is I burned my last contact in the army tracking it down for Juan.
You ex-military?
Isn't everybody?
Okay. Just show me where it is.
First, you take this parachute. Trust me, it can save your life. Now I'll take you to the old Spanish fort. They've got it locked up inside. This is no place to stop. Conscript or volunteer?
Conscript.
My number came up, so I did my time. You?
Volunteer. All I wanted to be was a soldier. You know, wear the uniform, serve my country. Found out the only kind of soldier Castillo wants is a blind fascist addicted to his every word.
So now you're a traitor.
Yeah, and I'm not the only one. There's a guard posted at the watchtower ahead. He's going to let us use it to scout out the fort. He can also give us useful info.
What does he want from us?
One, not to get his ass shot. So keep your gun holstered or he'll open fire. Two, a little bribe to these double agents will get us military intel.
Right. No weapons. Pesos ready.
There he is. Hope you got some pesos on him.
What can you tell me?
Okay, check this out. Here's where you can find some weapons around here.
I appreciate it.
Sure. Whatever you and Raisa are about to do, I don't want to be around for it.
Everyone's got their price.
Not every soldier's a fanatic. Some are just trying to feed their families. Just remember to put the guns away before you approach. Use your phone to scout out enemy soldiers and see their weaknesses. I bet Juan's already giving you his right tool for the right job talk.
There's the officer in charge.
Alvarez has the key to the armory. Careful, Danny. He's higher rank. In Castillo's army, that means he's better trained, quicker with the trigger, and a tough motherfucker. This fort is the most protected base on the... These soldiers have been issued with body armor and helmets. Nothing armor-piercing rounds can't handle. Use the word. Workbench if you need to craft some, and then go snatch that uranium, Danny. That parachute I gave you could come in handy. Just don't drop into it.
Okay, careful, Danny. You mean this wasn't everybody? key. This should get me Juan's uranium. Found the armory. The uranium is inside. The uranium.
Got your fucking uranium, Juan!
Then get your ass back to me.
Next time they're better. Juan! Juan!
King!
See, still want to know what he's going to do with it.
If I know Juan, you're about to get a fucked up surprise. See you back at camp.
Shit.
You got something for me?
You want to hit the military where it hurts? There's an anti-aircraft site on Santuario. Blow it up.
Radio Verdad, the heartbeat of Yara, transmitiendo desde Esperanza. Esta es Radio Verdad.
Hola.
Oye,
What?
Oye, Juan.
This is Resolver, Danny. Depleted uranium. Soviets left these sexy byproducts of nuclear enrichment behind in the 80s. Yankees use it for tank armor and bullets. Crazy assholes.
Sounds dangerous.
You'll be a fucking superhero, Danny.
Lita and I used to sneak these into the orphanage.
Essential reading while waiting to fuck up convoys in the mud. A guerrilla must be a sponge for inspiration.
Okay, what the hell is this?
This is a Supremo.
Looks like a rocket launcher.
See, She does that too. One more thing. I want you to meet Tostador. The two go together like fire and fury.
I like how you resolver, Juan.
So do I.
You really think we get through that blockade?
Claro, no?
Yeah. But do you?
What do I look?
Supremos are like a good
What do
lover.
I look like? A fucking
Or a
reality?
great sandwich.
Are you just hungry, Juan?
Yes, but I'm talking about layers, Danny. Head to the workbench and I'll show you.
There's 300,000 troops waiting for us on the other side.